Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on General. Following that, choose Keyboard section over here and click on this green filter next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same filter one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!